How to turn off one-click ordering on Amazon. Avoid accidental purchases. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off one-click ordering on Amazon so you can avoid accidental purchases. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon app or go to the Amazon website. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Step 1. Go to your account settings. Tap on your profile icon or go to Your Account. Scroll down and look for Your Payments or Payment Settings. Step 2. Open One-Click Settings. Now find the option called One-Click Settings or Manage One-Click. Tap on it. Step 3. Turn off one-click ordering. Here you'll see your default payment method and one-click status. Tap on Disable One-Click Ordering. Confirm your choice. Alternative method, if you don't see the option in the app, open Amazon in your browser. Go to Account/Your Payments to Settings/One-Click Settings and disable it from there. Bonus tip, you can also remove your default payment method to prevent instant purchases. And that's it. Now you've successfully turned off one-click ordering on Amazon and avoided accidental orders. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.